Hey y'all, I've got 24 ounces of shredded chicken. I love it when it comes in the can. It makes everything so much easier. I don't have to cook anything. This is a no cooking recipe. So good. And did you know they usually have the chunk chicken, but then they came out with the shredded. Once we have the shredded chicken in here, that looks so good. We're gonna be adding 2 cups of mozzarella cheese. This goes right in there. 1 red bell pepper that I've diced. About 3 stalks of celery that I've also diced. And about 3 sticks of green onions. Some garlic powder. About, I don't know, 1/4 of a tablespoon. And about the same of this onion powder. This is such an easy recipe, guys. It's always a hit every time I make it. To that, we're gonna be adding about 4 tablespoons of mayo. So we're just gonna do 1 healthy dollop like that. 1 cup of ranch dressing. This is a 12-ounce bottle, so we're using about 2/3 the bottle, just like that. And a 1/4 cup of this medium buffalo sauce. You can use a hot, spicy one if you like, but we're gonna do the same with this, about that much right there. Give this a quick mix. Get all that chicken and those veggies and those sauces mixed together. It's so good. All these flavors mixing together. This is perfect for like watch party. Got that buffalo flavor in there with the ranch. And you have this next to like, you know, it's like a nice side dish for like hot dogs or burgers. And once you have all of this mixed together, I'm gonna come in with, this is 1 pound of this tri-color spiral rotini pasta. And we're just gonna come in with Nature's Whisk. Just use your hands and just mix everything together. In a bowl like this, it's easier to just use your hands than to use a spatula. Get all these flavors combined. Then once that's done, you're gonna just pop this in the fridge for about a couple hours. So this has been in the fridge for about an hour, hour and a half. Just gonna go ahead and dig on in and get a bite before I take this to the picnic. It's buffalo chicken pasta salad. Yeah, that's really good. The mild buffalo sauce is better for me, but you can use a spicier one if you want. You should definitely make this.